Hello children, we have previous video. Today in this video we are going to practice its exercise questions. So let's begin with the question answers first. Question number 1. Which modes of transport do the people use to move around in the city? आपने देखा होगा विद इन सिटी जब लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं तो अलग अलग मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज़ करते हैं. वो कौन कौन से मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज़ करते हैं? लेट्स नेम देम. इन दिस सिटी पीपल यूज़ कार्स, टैक्सीज, बसेस, ट्रेन्स, रिक्शाज एक्सेट्रा टू मूव अराउंड. Question number 2. What are the things that the people carry with them while moving around? So, you can see people carrying different things with them when they are traveling in a city. Can you name those things? Let's see. People carry bags, briefcases, suitcases, hats, umbrellas, etc. while moving around. Question number 3. Where all do you find these very busy people? ये बहुत बिजी लोग आपको कहाँ नज़र आते हैं? Answer is I find all these busy people on roads, bus stops, sidewalks, in the market, etc. Now, question number 4. Where have you seen crowds of people? Answer can be I have seen crowds of people at railway stations, bus stands, shopping malls, cinema halls, fairs, etc. इसमें हमें बताना है कि आपने लोगों को भीड़ में कहाँ कहाँ पर देखा है. Question number 5. Why do you think all these people are in a hurry? In the poem, we have read about city people. Some of the people are in a hurry. कुछ लोग हमें अपने आसपास जल्दबाजी में नज़र आते हैं. आपको क्यों लगता है कि लोगों को जल्दी होगी? किस बात की जल्दी होगी? Answer can be these people are in a hurry because they have to reach workplaces on time and do many things. Now, let's do an exercise of opposite words. Here some words are given and we have to write their opposites. For example, slow, fast, back, front, below, above, loud, slow, up, down, tall, short, crowd, alone, go, come. So like this you will complete the exercise of opposite words. Now next exercise. Look at the following words. They are group names. So there are different names for different type of groups. For example, if it is a group of soldiers, we call it troop of soldiers. If it is a group of bees, we call it swarm of bees. If it is a group of players, we call it a team. If it is a group of puppies, we call it litter. If it is a group of ships, we call it a fleet. If it is a group of books, we call it a library. So these are the group names of different things. Like this is a troop of soldiers. Next, this is a swarm of bees. This is a litter of puppies. This is a fleet of ships. ये एक ships का ग्रुप है, इसे हम fleet कहते हैं. And last, this is a library. Group of books. We call it a library. And this is a team of players. Now we have to fill in the blanks with the correct group word. The traveler rested under the dash of trees. What do you call a group of trees? Trees के ग्रुप को हम कहते हैं clump. Clump of trees. जब एक जगह पे बहुत सारे trees आपको नज़र आए तो you call it a clump of trees. The dash sang beautifully. They are singing. That means it is a group of singers. What do you call a group of singers? You call it a choir. The choir sang beautifully. Number 3. The dash of flowers was lying on the table. Group of flowers. We call it a bunch. Bunch of flowers. The girl looked up at the dash of stars. Group of stars is cluster. Cluster of stars. Number 5. The dash of robbers escaped. Group of robbers. We call it a band. The band of robbers. Number 6. The hunter shot at the dash of birds. Group of birds. हमने एक चैप्टर में भी पढ़ा था फ्लाइंग टुगेदर में. ग्रुप ऑफ बर्ड्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? फ्लॉक. फ्लॉक ऑफ बर्ड्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. Some words describe actions. Many of them end in ly. ये हमने पहले भी एक चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज में किया है कि कुछ डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स के आगे हम ly लगा देते हैं. तो उसके बाद वो जो न्यू वर्ड बनता है विद ly, दिस वर्ड कैन बी यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब एन एक्शन. इस वर्ड को हम किसी एक्शन को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द गर्ल डांस्ड ब्यूटिफुली. यहाँ पर एक्शन है द गर्ल डांस्ड. ये एक एक्शन है और ये जो वर्ड है ब्यूटिफुली, ये डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है कि ये एक्शन कैसे हो रहा है. सो दिस वर्ड इज डिस्क्राइबिंग द एक्शन. नाउ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स बाय चेंजिंग द वर्ड इन द ब्रैकेट्स suitably. अब ब्रैकेट्स में कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हैं, उन वर्ड्स को हमें चेंज करना है इन ly. And then we will fill in the blanks. The girl slept soundly. ये वो अच्छे से सोई. The children finished their work quickly. बच्चों ने अपना काम quickly finish किया. The old man shouted loudly. The boys played quietly. So in each of these sentences we have one action and the word in the blank is describing how the action is being done. हर एक सेंटेंस में एक एक्शन हो रहा है और जो हमने फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में जो वर्ड्स लिखा है वो वर्ड डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है कि वो एक्शन किस तरह से हो रहा है. क्विकली, लाउडली, क्वाइटली, साउंडली. नेक्स्ट, डू योर वर्क नीटली. सो डू योर वर्क इज द एक्शन. And how the work is being done, that is neatly. I can do the sum easily. Now you complete the exercise yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.